Take your animations to the next level with some simple but effective video editing techniques. Get ready to try out these 7 creative cuts. Give scene transitions matching elements to establish connection and symbolism between scenes. Using camera movement to zoom in and out can make these transitions feel more natural. Split up a long conversation by intercutting between the characters. This can help make the scene more dynamic. By framing the characters as separate at first, then bringing them together in the same frame, you can show that they are becoming closer. Create a sense of journey and progression with the way your characters exit and then enter a new scene by having them move in the same direction. Increase the impact of your scene by breaking it down to several shots. This technique can be useful to neatly combine a sequence of different actions together. Move the story along by using objects. Use the motion path tool to sweep the expanded prop across to cover the first scene. Start the next scene with the prop exiting to reveal the new composition. Time passes quickly with jump cuts. Use a scene with the same location or characters to show how the story moves through narrative time. Give additional visual context or create subtext to a story with a cutaway scene. We do this by inserting a different shot between scenes. With these different video cut techniques in your toolkit, you'll keep your audience engaged from beginning to end. Try them out in Vyond Studio today.